Hello everyone, so in this video we will be reviewing the Mars Men Testosterone Support. So is this supplement a real performance booster or just another overhyped product? So marketed as a natural testosterone enhancer, this product claims to increase stamina, muscle growth, libido, and energy using herbal ingredients like tongkat ally, fenugreek extract, maca root, and zinc. So these components are known to help support healthy hormone levels and male vitality. But there is limited clinical evidence that Marsman specifically delivers measurable testosterone increases. So user reviews are mixed. So some men report improved energy and focus other or after consistent use, while others see little to no change at all. The supplement is sold mainly online through its official website, which is this one right here. And while it's not flagged as a scam, its marketing exaggerates results and lacks third-party testing or transparent ingredient dosages. Overall, Marsmen may offer minor benefits for general wellness, but calling it as a real testosterone booster might be a stretch without strong scientific backing.